What's going on, guys? It's Big JD here, and I have this 6-inch thin line bench grinder with the flexible lamp. But anyway, this is a grinder, and I have some knives that I have to sharpen. So let's see how good this does it. Because this is not an actual knife sharpening device, but it should be able to do the work, at least temporarily. Sharpen my knife nice and good. So as you can see, I have this chef knife. I mean, it's pretty big. And I have this piece of board here, this cardboard. I can show you how dull it is. I'm gonna try to slice it, at least get a nice decent cut. See? And I'm putting a nice amount of pressure, and look, it's not doing much, right? So let's see how it looks after I sharpen the knife. Let's see the difference now. See, this is before it was sharpened. This is after it's sharpened. So it does helps a lot. I mean, even though it's going back and forth, it's not perfect, but it's definitely a big improvement. Before and after. Thank you.